If you've ever asked, can you delete all x.com or Twitter posts at once? The short answer is no, not natively. In this video, I'm going to show you the reality of deleting posts on X, what your options are, and the simplest way to remove posts one by one if you want to clean up your account. This is especially useful if you've got an old profile, outdated content, or posts you no longer want visible. Before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, it's important to know that X does not currently offer a built-in bulk delete feature for posts. That means you cannot just select everything and remove all your tweets or posts in one click from the official app or website. If you want to delete content, you have to do it manually, post by post. So here's how that works. Open X and go to your profile page, scroll through your posts and find the one you want to delete. Once you locate the post, look for the three dots icon on the post. This is the options menu for that specific post. Click or tap the three dots and you'll see a list of actions. From that menu, choose Delete Post. X will usually ask you to confirm your choice, so make sure you're certain before continuing. Once you confirm, that post will be removed from your profile and from public view. Then repeat the same process for each post you want to delete. Again, there is no official one-click way to delete all X posts at once, so if you have a lot of content, this can take some time. A good approach is to start with your oldest posts first, or focus on posts that include private information, outdated opinions, broken links, or content that no longer matches your brand. If you're trying to clean up your account quickly, go through your profile carefully and delete the posts you no longer need one at a time. It may be tedious, but it is the only method available directly through X right now. If you want to stay organized, you can also make a list of the types of posts you want to remove so you don't miss anything. And if you're doing a full account cleanup, it's always smart to review your profile picture, bio, pinned post, and old replies too. So to recap, can you delete all x.com posts at once? Not through X itself. You need to manually open each post, tap the three dots, and delete it individually. If this video saved you time, please hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.